Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Pierre from Simple Home Brew, starting with the new Brewers Brew series videos. Basically, we're going to see homebrew breweries from around the world, and hopefully you guys will get something out of it like I do. The last series I did is only just before Christmas, around that time, or just after Christmas, and I got a lot of ideas from it, and I've actually built on those ideas. I made a sink over the side here. It looks bloody beautiful. Pardon me. I used to have a bench, and then the bench was a bit annoying. It was a bit low. I didn't know what to do in the corner, and because of these videos that I watched in the last series, this bench became the idea that I wanted to make reality. So I did. So here it is. This is just a bit of the scenery, and because of these benches, like this sink, this double sink here, and the little hideaway for the grainfather, it's protecting a lot of the products from sunshine too, from coming in from the window, and gives me a lot of area to move and work around. And also, I do like riding my bike indoors, so I do that for exercise to try and lose the beer fat. And that's why I'm doing these videos, to learn these little tricks of the trade to make my brewing experience better, and hopefully it'll make your brewing experience better. Today I want to introduce you to two girls from Nova Scotia in Canada. They're called the Beer Brewnettes. They have a YouTube channel which is growing quite quickly. They have about 700 subscribers as of the making of this video, and they are inspirational. It's really good. They work for another company called Beer IQ, I think it's called, and their videos are seen on that channel as well. I would like to give you a link here to their channel so you guys can have a look at it, and check the video out. I hope you like it.
Hey, I'm Rochelle with the Beer Brewnettes, and we're going to take you for a little tour inside the brew barn. Let's go. Maria!
Hey, I'm just planning our next brew.
Okay, let's take everybody on a little tour.
Okay, so welcome to the Little Green Brew Barn. This is where Shell and I work all the magic. Shell just lives over there, and I live over there, so we just meet in our backyard and brew up a storm when we want.
We have to name a beer meet in the middle.
Yeah.
For sure.
Meet in the middle. So here's our slat wall. This is where we keep all of the accessories for brewing, basically because we usually brew on this wall, so we want things, you know, in close reach. Got our water treatment chemicals, lots of goodies up here, lots of Grainfather stuff, lots of Anvil stuff, lots of Blickman stuff, all the main brands. And over here we've got reverse osmosis system water. So under here we've got an RO system so that we can have really good brew water. That's what we brew with. And this is just where we clean our dishes. This is, of course, really necessary. If you're going to build a brew space, you need a glass cleaner. I'll leave this over here for you, Shell, so that you can get a brew in a minute. This is where we do all our planning. So we shop for all of our recipes here, make our recipes, Google if we're unsure, figure it out along the way.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. And do you want to show them the equipment?
Absolutely.
All right.
All right. Okay, so we have two G30s here. Ooh. And we have two sparge water heaters. As you can see, one is much bigger than the other because we have a little something over here. Ooh. We have a G70, which is super awesome for us. We have 3 fermenters, and 2 of them are happily fermenting right now, so hopefully these work out perfectly for us. There is a glycol chiller and some samples in here. Some nice craft brews.
Yep, and we keep our hops in there too and our yeast to keep them super fresh.
Mm-hmm. A little fermentation going on over here. There's some glasses for different styles of beer. We can have up to 4 beer on tap. I'm just going to pour a little sample right now.
What are you drinking?
We have a stout here that we made a little while back. Anyways, just a little sample.
What, the old whistle?
And some flight boards for our friends to sample. Mm-hmm. These are chalkboards, so we can come up with some funny names, and everyone likes to pitch in sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Name our beer.
We have a little station over here that Maria's going to tell us about.
Yeah, so this is the mill. So we've got this awesome mill. It's kind of hard to use without, you know, having a setup, so we know a handy carpenter who made this for us. It's a little cart for the mill. Underneath we've got a little bucket so the grain goes right in there, and we've also got an anvil scale, so when we're doing big batches we don't have to pre-measure, we can just measure for the scale.
Perfect.
Hang on.
It's easy.
And this is kind of like our kegging station. This is where we do all of our kegging before we put her in. And other than that, Shell, I think brew considerations when we made the brew barn. So we knew we were going to get the G70 eventually. We knew that was on our list, so we made sure we wired for it. And here we go. We've got the 220 volts there. And then, I guess the only other thing, this is kind of like really helpful for us. We wanted to make sure that we made the canters high enough, because we knew we would be getting grain father equipment, that we could pull the grain basket up while we're sparging and not have to move the sparge kettle.
Perfect.
So, you know, it helps with the heavy lifting. You can save more heavy lifting for like important things. Anyway, that's it for us, guys. I'm Maria. This is Rochelle. We're the Beer Brewnettes. Thanks for coming to see our brew space and like brew with you soon.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
So what do you reckon? These guys have got something going for them. They obviously love the hobby. They have a passion for it. Looks like they're going to be pretty technical in a lot of their videoing and their technical advice on what to buy eventually. I know it's going to be a little bit commercial, but I think you guys should have a look at this channel and try and support them to get them to make more videos so we can see what they have in mind and what they do with their brewing prowess. So guys, thanks for watching this video. There's more to come, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Cheers.